One of my favourite ways to appreciate just how long dinosaurs were around is this. T-Rex lived closer in time to us than it did to Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus lived about 155 million years ago, during the late Jurassic. T-Rex lived much later, right at the end of the Cretaceous, about 68 to 66 million years ago. That puts roughly 90 million years between them, which is more time than the 65 million years separating T-Rex from us, modern humans. That's why it's actually more historically accurate to show mammoths being used during the Second World War than it is to show T-Rex fighting a Stegosaurus. Non-bird dinosaurs lived between 245 and 66 million years ago during the Mesozoic era, which we divide into the Triassic, the Jurassic and the Cretaceous periods. And these weren't just labels, they were fundamentally different worlds. During the Triassic, all of the continents were locked together in a single landmass called Pangaea, with hot, dry climates and vast deserts. By the Jurassic, the supercontinent had begun to split apart, seas flooded in and rainfall increased, and enormous plant-eating dinosaurs began to dominate the landscape. By the Cretaceous, the continents were drifting towards positions that we would recognise today, and climates and ecosystems became more regional. We had flowering plants that appeared, and insects diversified, and dinosaurs evolved along very different paths on different continents. Across that immense span of time, dinosaurs rose, diversified, and went extinct again and again. There were even fossils of dinosaurs during the age of the dinosaurs, remains of older species already buried in the ground while entirely new ones were walking above them. So when we talk about dinosaurs, we're not talking about a single moment or a single ecosystem. We're talking about lots of different worlds separated by tens of millions of years, worlds so distant from one another that some dinosaurs were already ancient history to other dinosaurs.